We are at 9912 Norwood Court, Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and we are going to do a repair on these shingles. We did find that it does have 2 layers of shingles on this roof. The lower layer is very in very bad shape, starting to deteriorate from the gutter line edge. But this shingle here is the one that we are going to be replacing. So we're going to have, this would be this whole shingle that we are going to be replacing. We will have to lift the shingles above in order to release this shingle. Pull the nails out. Hold it right there where you had it up. Back up a little bit where you had it. Okay. There, we got it up at 2 inches. And let's see how. This is a 45-degree square. Pick it back up to where it was 2, up. As you can see, we do not have this over a 45-degree angle, which is what you're suggested. No more than 45 degrees.
You got
Wow.
2-inch nails.
Jeez. Okay, you can see the second layer of shingles underneath. That is deteriorated. It's not a solid base, and really should not have shingles going over top of it. You see it's just breaking apart. Yep. I'll give a complete nailable surface get for you. Properly attach a new shingle to it. Okay, let me hop up here. Sorry about that when I was standing up. It flipped off the camera. Anyways, you can see where it has some creasing, some granular loss.
Displacement.
Granule displacement there. You see some right there.
Oh, it's on the top one.
Right there. Even up there on that one where we had to lift this up a little bit. And here. And because of the condition of the shingle, the second layer of shingle is underneath it here, and with the creasing on this would be a fail. Should not be nailing shingles on over top of a damaged layer of shingles. Plus the shingles above failed to keep in a new like condition, which makes it where they would actually need to be replaced. With all this granular displacement, now that area of the fibers and matting underneath will be exposed to the sun and will rapidly deteriorate.